Hi there, can you score 8 out of 20? Let's find out. Question 1. He has been dashed between tasks without finishing any. A. Swerving. B. Switching. C. Swapping. He has been switching between tasks without finishing any. The printer is dash again. A. Jumping. B. Jamming. C. Jerking. The printer is jamming again. The paper is dash at the edges. A. Creasing. B. Cracking. C. Crossing. The paper is creasing at the edges. He's been dashed between two career choices. A. Drafting. B. Drifting. C. Draining. He's been drifting between two career choices. The clouds are dashed before the rain starts. A. Gardening. B. Guarding. C. Gathering. The clouds are gathering before the rain starts. My phone has been dashed non-stop. A. Blazing. B. Blurring. C. Buzzing. My phone has been buzzing non-stop. The dog keeps dash itself because of fleas. A. Scratching. B. Scraping. C. Screaming. The dog keeps scratching itself because of fleas. The machine is dashed the paper into tiny pieces. A. Shedding. B. Shrinking. C. Shredding. The machine is shredding the paper into tiny pieces. The heater is dashed quietly in the background. A. Hovering. B. Humming. C. Hammering. The heater is humming quietly in the background. The roof is dashed whenever it rains. A. Linking. B. Licking. C. Leaking. The roof is leaking whenever it rains. My shoes are dash on the floor. A. Speaking. B. Sparking. C. Squeaking. My shoes are squeaking on the floor. She kept dash quickly at her notes during the test. A. Glancing. B. Glaring. C. Gazing. She kept glancing quickly at her notes during the test. The leaves are dash in the breeze. A. Wrestling. B. Rustling. C. Resting. The leaves are rustling in the breeze. Her voice was dash with emotion. A. Quenching. B. Quivering. C. Quoting. Her voice was quivering with emotion. My laptop fan is dash loudly. A. Whirling. B. Whirring. C. Whipping. My laptop fan is whirring loudly. The lights keep dash during the storm. A. Fluttering. B. Floating. C. Flickering. The lights keep flickering during the storm. I think this hair is dash. A. Shedding. B. Shrinking. C. Shredding. I think this hair is shedding. The water is dash over the edge of the cup. A. Spinning. B. Spilling. C. Sliding. The water is spilling over the edge of the cup. He is dashed between two opinions. A. Balancing. B. Bending. C. Bouncing. He is balancing between two opinions. The engine suddenly dashed at the traffic light. A. Stared. B. Started. C. Stalled. The engine suddenly stalled at the traffic light. Thank you for watching. Hope you got a higher score. Kindly comment your score below.